Hello folks, it's John from the Green Bay Aquarium Society. Today we got 2 packages from Cobalt Aquatics. Let's see what's in them. Alright, first we got some worm medley, ultra spirulina, ultra color, and a couple of heaters, or actually, wait, hold on, 1 heater and 1 Clearview 45. These heaters work really good. I have one in my 75-gallon freshwater tank. It works really great. I have had no complaints about it. Second box. Looks like we've got a mini pump, couple more of their awesome heaters, some marine pellets, just regular tropical flakes, and some mysis. Looks like 3 cans of mysis, 3 cans of regular flakes. Thank you so much to the people at Cobalt. We wouldn't be able to do what we do without their help. They have really great products. If you've used their products, let us know in the comments below. Also check them out on social media. They've got a Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and a YouTube page. Also, don't forget to check us out on social media for news and updates. You could also follow us on YouTube. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope to see you soon.